Hello and welcome. If you're feeling a little tired and restless today, I have the perfect standing only flow for you. Let's start at the end of the mat and ground ourselves in Tadasana, also called mountain pose. Palms facing forward, feet grounded to the mat, toes spread wide, standing tall. Take 3 deep breaths. Gently roll your shoulders back 10 times at your own pace, releasing any tension in your upper back and shoulders. Then roll forward 10 times, again at your own pace. No need to rush. Take a moment to gently stretch the neck, left ear to the shoulder. Use your hand to deepen into the stretch. Then stretch over to the right. Breathe. Take a couple of arm circles forward or backwards, whichever your preference. Take 5 arm circles around very gently here. And we'll take it back 5 times as you breathe. Calm your breath, settle your thoughts, allow your body to arrive. Next, you'll rise your arms up and take a standing side bend to the left, grabbing your right wrist and pulling to loosen any tension in your upper back and shoulder. Inhale deep, exhale, release. Then bend over to the right, grabbing at your left wrist, pulling, and then release. We'll take 3 half sun sweeps. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, forward fold, hinging at the hips. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Back to Tadasana. Inhale, rise your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold deeper. Inhale, rise all the way up. Back to mountain pose. And one more time. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise up. Palms face each other. Dip the hips down for chair. Hold in chair just for a breath. Take the palms to heart center and we'll twist over to the left. Open the arms wide. Then come back to center and twist over to the right, opening the arms wide. Breathe and come back to center. Inhale, rise your arms back to chair, then rise all the way back up. Step your left foot back for a high crescent lunge, bending at the right knee. Rise the arms up on your inhale. Pivot the back foot for warrior 2, arms parallel to the mat. Next, take reverse warrior, flipping the front palm up and reaching back. Slide the back hand down as you inhale. Then come back to warrior 2. Bring the right elbow to the right knee and raise the left arm up and over. A strong, extended side angle. Come back up to warrior 2. Extend the front leg for triangle, hinging at the hips. bringing the arm down. Reach the left arm up, open the chest as you breathe. Come back up to warrior two, bending at that front knee. Gently shift forward for warrior three, extending the back leg behind you, reaching the arms behind you as well. Inhale and hold for a few breaths, gazing forward, maintaining a strong stance. Slowly step back into humble warrior, clasp your hands behind you, and then bow down, bringing the head beside your knee, breathing slowly. Slowly rise back up, come back to warrior two, cartwheel the hands down as you exhale, step your back foot forward, fold, inhale, halfway lift, exhale, fold, grab both your elbows for ragdoll and slowly sway. Then gently rise both of your arms up and come back to neutral. Step the right leg back and we'll repeat, bending at the left knee. Inhale, rise the arms up for a high crescent lunge. Take a few breaths here. Then pivot the back foot for warrior two, palms facing down, arms parallel to the mat. Slowly rise your front palm up and back, bringing the back hand down. Then come back to warrior two. Bring the elbow to knee, swing the opposite hand down and up, arm away from the ear, chest open. Then come back to warrior two. Extend the front leg, slowly bring the hand down, rising the opposite arm, opening the chest here as you breathe for Trikonasana. Come back up to warrior two, bending back at that front knee. Then we'll step and shift forward for warrior three, rising that back leg up behind you and then reaching your arms back. Gently step your back foot down for humble warrior, clasping your hands together behind you as you bow down. Breathe gently. Slowly rise up. Back to warrior two, then cartwheel the hands down. Fold forward as you exhale. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. We'll take ragdoll again, grabbing both of the elbows as you sway. Then one vertebrae at a time, gently rise up. Release your elbows. Come back to Tadasana, palms facing forward, grounding into the mat. We'll come to a wide-legged forward fold, so you can stand towards the long edge of the mat. Gently scoot both of your feet out as wide as you feel comfortable, and hinging at the hips, slowly fold forward. Bring the crown of the head down as you exhale and release. Gently bend at one knee, extending the other leg for a deeper hamstring stretch. Then take it to the other side to deepen in your leg stretch here. Come back to center. We'll take ragdoll again, grabbing your elbows, gently swaying back and forth. And slowly, one vertebrae at a time, rise up and release. Scoot both of your legs back together to a comfortable standing position. You can come back to the front of your mat or stay where you are. On your next inhale, rise your arms up. Exhale, forward fold, hinging at the hips. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. And we'll come back to Tadasana, palms facing forward, grounding into the mat. We'll take 3 intentional breaths here. You can take one hand over your heart and another hand over your belly. Take 3 breaths just to calm your thoughts before the world attempts to take your attention. You can close your eyes here as you ground yourself. Soften your thoughts, soften your breath. And press the palms to heart center. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining today's session. And if you did like today's flow, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.